Welcome back to Tethered and Whole. I'm Matt Weld, and today we're exploring something we all need to stay grounded when life changes without warning: resilience. And to get there, I want to start with a story. At 6 years old, Maya Shankar fell in love with the violin. It happened this way. One day, her mother brought down her grandmother's violin from the attic, a treasured instrument carried from India, and Maya was instantly captivated. She practiced for hours every day. By 9 years old, she and her mom were waking at 4 a.m. to travel to Juilliard for lessons. As a teenager, world-renowned violinist Itzhak Perlman invited her to study privately with him. It was the kind of moment that defined her future. And then, during practice one day, she felt a pop in her hand. Doctors told her she had torn a tendon and would never play again. Everything she built her identity around, gone in a single moment. See, being a violinist wasn't just something Maya did. It was who she was. So when that part was taken away, she was left asking the question so many of us face in similar situations: who am I now? But instead of collapsing under the loss, she reinvented herself. She earned her PhD in cognitive psychology, created the role of chair for the White House Social and Behavioral Sciences team. And today, she hosts a podcast called A Slight Change of Plans. Her story, like so many others, is a portrait of resilience. Psychologists define resilience as the process of adapting well in the face of challenge, trauma, or stress. And folks, it's not about bouncing back. It's about moving forward, changed, wiser, and more compassionate. Resilient people draw on both inner and outer resources. They find ways to transform setbacks into opportunities. And resilience doesn't depend on privilege or poverty, status or background. Research actually shows that resilience is shaped by many factors: our genetics, early experiences, our systems of support that we have available, coping skills, and our mindset. Some people rise from hard beginnings. Others reinvent themselves after failure. Different paths, same truth. Resilience is possible for everyone. Psychologist Ann Maston calls resilience, quote, ordinary magic. It's not rare. It's not reserved for the strong or the rich. It's built from everyday habits, relationships, routines, and small choices. And these together create an extraordinary strength. Like athletes and musicians who train daily, we too can train to recover faster when life knocks us off balance. That's what I call building your zone of resilience. Picture this. Picture resilience as a house. On the main floor, everything feels stable. There's warmth, food, connection, safety. This is your zone of resilience where life feels manageable. But stress can bump you out of that zone. Anxiety sends you into the attic with racing thoughts, a pounding heart, restlessness. Depression or exhaustion, they can pull you into the basement where you feel fatigue, numbness, and withdrawal. And the goal isn't to avoid the attic or the basement. The goal is to find the stairs and get back home. And research shows that we can build those stairs. Those stairs are habits that can help us return to balance. And we can do it by practicing one or more of these 5 steps. Number 1, nurturing strong relationships. People who listen and remind us that we are not alone. Number 2, practicing mindfulness so we can quiet the noise and return to the present moment. Number 3, develop problem-solving skills, turning challenges into puzzles, not roadblocks. Number 4, moving our bodies regularly, using motion to release the tension we hold and to create momentum. And number 5, seeking support when we need it, because resilience grows best in connection, not isolation. Every one of these practices expands your zone of resilience, helping you stay balanced longer and return faster when life throws you off course, because life will throw you off course. Resilience isn't a destination, it's a practice, a rhythm of losing balance and learning how to return with more grace each time. The more we practice, the stronger our foundation becomes. And over time, we don't just survive adversity, we grow because of it. Maya Shankar's story reminds us identity can change, purpose can shift, dreams can evolve, but what remains constant is our ability to adapt. Friends, resilience isn't about avoiding the fall. It's about trusting that you can get back up. So this week, notice where your zone of resilience begins and what helps you to find your way back home. Until next time, stay tethered and stay whole.